Do you shy away from smiling because of your stained teeth? There are multiple reasons for yellow or stained teeth, such as poor dental hygiene, regular drinking of tea, coffee, or cola. But don't worry, we've got 5 hacks to whiten your teeth at home. Tea and coffee can easily stain your teeth and be a reason for your embarrassment. So, if you're a tea or coffee lover, this hack is just for you. Baking soda is known for easily removing surface stains, and hydrogen peroxide kills bacteria. Mix the two to form a paste of your desired consistency. A combination of the two will help you whiten your teeth in no time. So now you can have your favorite drink without worrying about stains. This magic ingredient is known to stain pretty much everything. But don't worry, it won't stain your teeth. Turmeric is proven to be good for oral health, relieves dental pain, and also whitens your teeth. One ingredient with multiple benefits. It's that cool? Just dip a wet brush into the turmeric powder and brush your teeth as you would normally do. Let the powder sit there for 2 minutes and rinse with water. You can use your regular toothpaste post this if you wish to. And there you have it. Clean and white teeth in minutes. The benefits of eating bananas are enormous. But remember not to throw the peels away. A banana peel can help you get rid of all those yellow stains on your teeth. So take a banana peel, cut it into smaller pieces so it's easier to use, and rub it on your teeth. Leave it for 3 to 5 minutes and then brush your teeth. Within a few weeks, your teeth will be whiter than before. If you love strawberries, this one is going to be your favorite. Ripe strawberries are rich in malic acid, which aids teeth whitening and will also help you get rid of the plaque. For this hack, take some mashed ripe strawberries, dip your toothbrush into it, and brush your teeth with it for a minute, and then rinse your mouth with water. This hack will make your teeth whiter in 2 weeks. Here is a cost-effective way to make your own teeth whitening strips at home. For this you will need baking soda, a squeeze of toothpaste, lemon juice, and some coconut oil. Mix everything well. Pour some paste onto a piece of foil and then wrap the foil around your teeth. Leave it on for 5 minutes and notice bright, shiny and white teeth in no time. Try these hacks and we're sure you will not shy away from smiling ever again. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.